Welcome to the forefront of industrial innovation where efficiency and informed decision-making are not just goals, they're expectations. Meet the Carlo Gavazzi NRG Series. Benefit 1. Real-time communication and cross-network compatibility. In a world where delays are not an option, the NRG Series stands out. It allows seamless real-time communication with a controller, keeping your operations running smoothly and efficiently without missing a beat. Say hello to unparalleled versatility. Compatible with Profinet, Ethernet, IP, EtherCAT, and Modbus networks, the NRG series ensures seamless integration into virtually any industrial environment. Benefit 2. Informed decision-making. With the power to analyze data on the fly, the Carlo Gavazzi NRG series enables your team to make informed decisions rapidly, solving urgent problems with lightning speed. Data is at the heart of modern industry. The NRG series provides superior data management, which translates to superior performance, quality, and reliability for all your operations. And Benefit 3. Less hardware. Simplicity is sophistication. The multifunctional capabilities of the NRG series mean less hardware, less complexity, and more cost savings. A minimalistic design for a maximalist performance without sacrificing features. The Carlo Gavazzi NRG series. Real-time communication, informed decisions, network compatibility, better data, less hardware. Upgrade your operation with efficiency that empowers your plant to save on labor. Lead your plant into the future today. Discover the power of the NRG series, ideal for OEMs, machine builders, the packaging industry, and any manufacturer using extrusion lines. If you have more than 10 zones, you can expect significant cost savings by switching to the Carlo Gavazzi NRG series. Carlo Gavazzi. Control, connect, conserve. Schedule a free consultation to see if the NRG series is right for you.